Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'll guide you step by step on how to apply for a Kuwait Family Visit Visa for your parents and relatives, following the latest 2025 rules issued by the Ministry of Interior. Let's get started. Step 1. Understand the latest regulations to apply for a visit visa. You must strictly follow the latest MWA rules. 1. Salary requirement. For parents, spouse, and children, minimum salary, 400 Kuwaiti dinars. For other relatives, minimum salary, 800 Kuwaiti dinars. 2. Airline requirement. Visitors must book a return ticket on either Kuwait Airways or Jazeera Airways. If direct flights are not available, transit flights via a connecting country are allowed. Step 2. Written pledge and medical rules. 1. Written pledge. As a sponsor, you must sign a declaration that visitors will not convert their visit visa into a residence visa. They will leave Kuwait within the 30-day period. 2. Medical treatment. Visitors must use private hospitals or clinics for treatment. No access to government hospitals for visitors who overstay. 3. Security monitoring. Overstaying visitors and their sponsors could face legal actions, including being listed under the security control system. Step 3. Documents required. Prepare these documents carefully. A. Visitor's passport, valid for at least 6 months. B. Proof of relationship. Original birth certificate or marriage certificate, embassy-issued certificates are not accepted. C. Sponsor's civil ID, copy of your civil ID. D. Salary certificate, recent one from your employer. E. Return flight ticket, booked only with Kuwait Airways or Jazeera Airways. F. Completed visa application form. Step 4. Application process. Follow these simple steps. KeyCap 1. Schedule an appointment. Book your appointment through the Meta portal with the General Directorate of Residency Affairs. KeyCap 2. Prepare your documents. Double-check all originals and copies. KeyCap 3. Attend the appointment. Visit the residency office with your documents. KeyCap 4. Submit the application. Hand over the documents and completed form. KeyCap 5. Pay the fees. Visa fee is 3 Kuwaiti dinars. KeyCap 6. Wait for processing. Usually processed quickly, but follow up if needed. Step 5. Validity, extension, and special notes. 1. Visa validity. 30 days after entry. Point 2. Extension. Possible. Check with MWA for latest procedures. Point 3. No official age limit. Parents of any age can apply. Bonus information. Tourist visa option for 53 countries. If your parents or relatives hold passports from these 53 countries, they can apply for an e-visa or visa on arrival. Requirements. Passport valid for 6 months. Confirmed return ticket. Residential address in Kuwait. Apply for an e-visa easily at MWA website given in the description. Usually processed same day or next day. List of countries given on the video description. That's it for today's guide on applying for a Kuwait Visit Visa for your parents and relatives. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, share with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more useful updates. For any questions, comment below. I reply to everyone.